Hey, so if you really been wanting to DIY your credit, do it yourself, but you really don't have that much time to be sitting off all disputes and you don't have a lot of money to be paying a guru. I'm not a guru. I'm gonna take you through this video. You've probably been seeing on your timeline Dispute Beast all over, but I actually have bought into it as I'm redoing my credit and fixing my credit. I think credit is very simple, but the thing is, it's hard for most people to follow through on what they're supposed to do. Because really, if you if you have good credit, which means that somebody's giving you something, extending your line of credit, and you've paid it back on time or before on time, or an amount that you've had, you haven't fully utilized that total amount and you pay back what you owe. If you do that, then typically you're gonna have good credit. So I'm at the Dispute Beast. You've probably seen this all over your timeline if you search credit page. I've already signed up for it. It is $49.99 for the monitoring. And when you log in, as you can see up there, this is CCS Madison. So I'm sharing with you my being transparent, right? Personal profile. You go in, it shows you your scores. TransUnion 669, Experian 699, Equifax 641. So not great. My Equifax is not the best because I had a car to go back a truck when I used to have a restaurant and went back, put a big debt on there. So what happens is when you log on to Dispute Beast, it keeps it super simple. Again, if you're trying to save time, it's going to sprint out your credit report, send out your scores, and then if you look on one side, it's going to tell you all the negative items. If you have anything on public records like repos, stuff like that, and any inquiries, right? It's going to show you how it may be affecting your score. Dispute Beast as well does come with a guarantee, but with the guarantee, it's a lot of stuff you have to do for them to guarantee it. I'll get into that in a different video, or I can talk about it below if you ask, right? So it's very simple. You set up your account, you pay your $49.99, boom. I'm gonna say you need about $100 to make this play happen. And then you're gonna go in, and I've already selected my accounts, right? So you're gonna select the accounts that you want to attack. So it's giving me an option on the side. If you look behind me, it's saying, hey, don't forget to mail out your attack, right? I haven't mailed it out yet, right? So I got 25 letters they drafted out. I was gonna start off with my inquiries, okay? And so I can either download these and send them off myself. I'm trying to show you the option. Or I can finish them by what they call Sprint Mail. So Sprint Mail actually sends them for you because on Dispute Beast, you're gonna actually upload your license, your utility bill that ties you to your address so everything matches, and they're gonna send the disputes out for you. And you can read the letters and everything before they send so you know what they're sending. And then you can just do that. Like I would say start with this before you even get into a guru. You know what I mean? Before you go pay somebody $3.99 or $5.99. At least most people can start with this with $100 and let's see what happens, right? So if you want to sign up for the Dispute Beast, below I do have a link. It's an affiliate link. So if you sign up, I'll get some credit for you. I'm just super transparent, man. If you have questions, drop those questions below. Let's just get our credit right together.